Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ni Komang Lina Cahyani. My 3-digit last number is 039 and I am from class B. Now I will explain about relation between set. The first, we are going to talk about set equality. If we have two set A and B, set A is equal to set B provided the following two conditions are fulfilled. First, every element of A is an element of B. And second, every element of B is an element of A. Let's look at an example. State whether the set in each pair are equal or not. So in part A, we have the set A, B, C, D, and the set A, C, D, B. To determine if they are equal, we are going to check if every element of the first set is also an element of the second set and vice versa. So in the first set, we have the element A, which is in the second set. We have the element B, which is also in the second set. We have the element C, which is in the second set, and last we have the element D, which is in the second set. So all the elements of the first set are in the second set. Now we go to the other way around. In the second set, we have an element A, which is in the first set. We have element C in the second set, which is in the first set. Element D in the second set, which is also found in the first set, and then we have element B in the second set, which is in the first set. So we can conclude that the first set is equal to the second set. So the answer is yes. Now let's look at part B. In part B, the first set is 2, 4, 6, and the second set is the set of all x such that x is an even number. So we are going to determine if they are equal by first looking at the set 2, 4, 6 and checking each of its element. The number 2 is in the first set, that is an even number. So it is in the second set. The number 4 is in the first set. Is it in the second set? Yes, because it is also an even number. The element 6 in the first set and it is even number, so it is also in the second set. So all of elements of the first set 2, 4, 6 are in the set of all x such that x is an even number. Now let's check the other way around. So set of all x such that x is an even number would include the number 2, the number 4, the number 6, the number 8, the number 10, and so on. All multiples of 2 are even numbers. So now this set is large than the set 2, 4, 6. And if we can find even one element in this set that's not in the set 2, 4, 6, then they are not equal. So for example, 8 is not an element of 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6 does not represent all the even numbers. So these two sets are not equal. Okay, next we are going to talk about equivalent set. Two sets are equivalent if and only if they have the same cardinality. Remember that the cardinality of a set is the number of elements it contains. So that we can conclude if two sets contain the same number of elements, then they are equivalent. So here is an example. The set A and B are clearly not equal sets. They don't have the same exact element. However, the cardinality of A is 3 because A has 3 elements. Also, the cardinality of B is 3. So we can say that the set A is equivalent to B, which is written like this. The third, I will explain about subset. Set A is a subset of set B if every element in A is also contained in B. It is denoted by this. Example, let's say that set A is equal to set contain 1, 2, and 3. And let's say that set B is equal to set that contain 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, the rule is for any element of A, it must also be an element of B. So, that means that every element in A must also present in B. In this case, A has 1, 2, and 3, B has 0, it has 1, it has 2, and it has 3. So, we can say that A is indeed a subset of B. Okay, next, I will explain about proper and improper subset. Let's say we have a set A and set B. Remember that to say A is subset of B, we use this symbol, this, with underline. And that means that all of the elements in A are also in B. If that were the case, then we would say that A is an improper subset of B. Now, to say that A is proper subset of B, we would use this symbol, so that we thought the line underneath. Example, let's say that A is equal to the set that has 0, 1, and B is equal to the set that has 0, 1, 2. Then we could say that A is subset of B using symbol with the underline like this. That's not incorrect, however, we know that A is a proper subset of B. So we could also say is that A is a proper subset of B. The last, we are going to talk about power set. Power set of a set is a set of all the subset of the set. Example, if I have a set A whose elements are A, B, and C, the cardinality of set A is 3 because the total number of elements in set A is 3. And the total possible subset out of this set will be actually equal to 2 to the power n, where n is the cardinal number of the set. That means the total possible subset of set A, the total possible subset of set A will be 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So, there will be total 8 subset possible, and if I try to write down all the possible subset, they will be, first will be null set, then we will have all the set with one element each, they are A, B, C. Then we will have all the set with 2 elements each, they are AB, BC, and CA. And then we will have all the set with 3 elements each, they are A, B, C. So, these are all the possible subset of set A, and the set of all these elements will be called the power set of set A. It is represented as P of A, like this. That means power set of A. So, power set of A are null set, A, B, C, AB, BC, CA, and ABC. Okay, that's all my explanation about relation between set. Thank you and see you next time.